All right, you might not believe me, but this has been the best thing I've ever done to make spreadsheets better for myself, to make me able to use spreadsheets for so long. I've been doing spreadsheets for 10 years. I'm Andrew. I'm the wizard here at BetterSheets.co and or behind BetterSheets.co. I've been doing spreadsheets for more than 10 years, actually 13 years. I learned Excel VBA first, and then I learned AppScript in Google Sheets, and I've been using Google Sheets for everything for 10 years. I worked at a startup for 5 years where we literally built the entire operations in Google Sheets, automated a lot of stuff, and did really, really cool stuff. I mean, really amazing things. Managed data of 150,000 videos, metadata of those, managed production schedules for 4 broadcast channels, really created scalable things in Sheets. And this has been the number one thing that has changed my life in spreadsheets for a very long time. And what it is lowering the contrast. And I believe in this so much that I built this free tool, Sheet Styles. You can get this in the Google Workspace Marketplace. That is a mouthful. Okay, what does it do? All right, this is what it looks like. This is normally what a Google Sheet looks like. It is Arial font. It is the whitest white background and the blackest black text color. And in one click here, I can change it to what I think is one of the most ideal ways to use spreadsheets, which is a little bit of a beigey or paper color background. The font color is a little bit less than all black, which is 000. It's actually, this is like 444. And then I also changed it to Carla font in this one click. So this right here is Sheet Styles. Let's go and get this before too long, before I get too far into this. It's in extensions, add-ons, get add-ons. We're going to search for Sheet Styles once this loads. Go up Sheet Styles. That's all you have to search for. It's going to be the very first one. Install it. Click here. I've already installed it, but it will say here install. It is totally free to use exactly like this, and I'll show you. If this is not enough change for you, this subtle change will help you so much. But if that is not enough, there's also Papyrus, which is a slightly more papery, more darker, less contrast. And here's the key here. This actually, my girlfriend at the time, now my wife, asked for this when I built Sheet Styles. She asked for this. She's an accountant, and when she's doing a lot of data managing of like checking rows, she doesn't know what row she's on. So click data style and it will alternate the rows. Yes, there is an alternating rows template in Sheets itself. This one though is sort of this beigeier color. The alternating rows templates, they have white as the white and some color, and it's actually a high contrast. This is less contrast. Also, if you're looking for more of a dark mode and you really like sort of all dark and white text, you have dark style here. But this is not all. If you're using Sheets and you have a boss and you're like, hey, I need to be able to do this. I want to work with Sheets my way, but like my boss loves Arial and he loves the white background. Like I can work like this, but he can't. Go scroll down more, reset to default. This will reset everything to Arial, whitest white background, blackest black text. That's not all. This Sheet Styles also has custom settings. So say you want to brand your sheet. You want to say like, oh, we use a dark red instead of like a burgundy or like a very dark velvety background color. And our font color is actually like, let's say, light blue, very light blue. And you can set a custom style, and that will change the whole sheet to this. That's a little weird, but it's fun. Actually, that's very nice, bloody. And then you can also reset it if you want from that custom style. But you have these presets if you want. So you can have this custom style if you wish to really change it. This is a little bit easier for me to use than having to go through the whole sheet, set the background, set the font color, and then also change the font. Again, I fell in love with Carla. It was suggested to me about 5 years ago, and I was like, oh my God, this is so much better. There's also Constantia if you're looking for like a Times New Roman-like but not Times New Roman. You know, like how Arial's like, oh, we like Arial, but not like Arial. We also have Quick Sand, which I like. It's sort of bulkier font, but really easy to read. I actually like Quick Sand a lot. So that subtle change, right, will help you spend more time in Google Sheets, less headaches, and sort of enjoy the process way more.